Hello, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to add your state sales tax to one of our Snappy forms. Not all forms have a need for state sales tax. However, if your form has a sales tax field in the total summary area, then your form needs to calculate the state sales tax. Next to the sales tax field, you'll notice a red rectangle. This is where you enter your sales tax. And I should add that the red rectangle and the sales tax amount are non-printable, regardless if you send it to your printer or you send it via email as a digital attachment. Right now, the field is locked, so we have to unlock. In order to enter the sales tax, we need to go to the Form Options menu, go to Company Setup, Sales Tax, and click with your left mouse button the Enter Tax option. Now, although it may seem that nothing happened, you will notice that the zero, this converted into a zero, and the field is highlighted. Now you can enter your state sales tax. For example, if our sales tax is 10%, we'll enter 10. We'll click somewhere in the form's border to apply the changes. Let's try filling out a sample order and see how this works. Compressors at 150 each is 300. As you can see, it's added the $30 to the subtotal, bringing a total of $330. If you need to edit the tax field, simply go to Form Options menu, Company Setup, Sales Tax, click Enter Tax Percentage again, and the field will be highlighted, allowing you to input any other amount that you need.